Everything is soaked. Everything is wet. Got rained on. Stormed. Really heavy for like 20 minutes. Uh-oh, there's some water on there. Being in the Midwest, when we get tornado warnings, we usually take cover, take shelter, do the right thing, and stay indoors, and, you know, I'm just kidding. We're not p***s. Let's make some bacon wrapped pickles. Alright, first thing you're going to need is some whole dills, or pickle spears, because that's what we're going to be doing with these, is cutting them into fourths, into spears. Then you're going to need some bacon. Any bacon will do. Use your favorite bacon. I got some of this Oscar Mayer original, and then I got some leftover thick cut peppered bacon I'm going to use. And then you're going to need your favorite barbecue rub. I'm going to use Wishing Well barbecue competition style rub. Some really good stuff. Check out my boy Dustin Wells on Instagram. I'm not sure if he still sells this, but I was lucky enough to pick up a couple of them, and it is delicious. So check that out. Alright, you guys are pretty smart, so I'm not going to take a lot of time explaining this. You cut your pickles into spears, you wrap them in bacon, and then you douse them with your favorite barbecue rub. Then you throw them on the smoker. I'll tell you what temp and everything in a minute. Check it out, I'll be right back. Alright, today we're using none other than the Grand Champ by Char Griller XD. I'm going to fire it up. I'm going to run it at about 300 degrees. And once we get these pickle spears wrapped up with bacon and seasoned, we're going to throw them on there. And when the bacon's done, they're done. Be right back. Oh yeah, pickle spears wrapped in bacon. All you gotta do is douse them in your favorite barbecue rub. Ready, set, go! Alright, now let's get them on the smoker. Yeah! Alright, there you have it. On the smoker at 300 degrees. Cook them until the bacon's done. You can do 225, 250, 350, I don't care. I'm doing 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it until the bacon's done. You're good to go. Alright guys. I'm gonna show you something. Ooh, man, these are done. Look at these glorious little pieces of fire. They might be a little overdone, but we're gonna get them off. And then I'm gonna eat one because that's what I do. Check it out. All right, these are freaking hot, so I'm gonna let them chill out for a minute, and then I'm gonna eat one. You guys, they smell good. Gotta check this out. Alright, let's see how they came out. I already took a bite. It's freaking delicious. Still pretty hot. It's like pork belly candy wrapped around your favorite dill pickle spear. It's just good. It's good. With your favorite barbecue rub, man, forget about it. Check this out. Do it. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. I mean, if it's your first time here, why don't you subscribe? Everybody that watches my videos ain't subscribed. So subscribe. See you next time. Let me know what you want to see me cook. Maybe late to this fucking train, or wagon, or trend, or what do you call it? I may be late to this party, but they're delicious and I'm glad I did it. You should do it too, because you'll also be glad you did it. See you later.